Now that you have explored the range of possible interventions across different ecosystem types, you might be wondering, how do you actually decide which intervention or combination of interventions is the best fit for your specific restoration context? Choosing the right restoration approach isn't just about knowing your options. It's about carefully matching your goals, local conditions, and available resources to the intervention strategies that offer the greatest chances of success. In the next task, we will walk through how to make these decisions using practical, science-based guidance that balances ambition with feasibility.